Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Sabre Cobalt 36 BHQ. Fifth wheel, bunkhouse, extra room. Let's take a look here. We have our black tank flush, winterizing system valves, water heater bypass valves, very easy, pass-through storage, auto level, one-touch polar shield package. Here's our pass-through. There's also an LED light strip up the top. And we have a mini camp kitchen, so to speak. Hot and cold water and mini fridge. We're equipped with a leash link. The Sabre has a hitch in the back and a camera already installed that's Wi-Fi'd right up to your phone or Bluetooth. Solid entry step, extra large grab handle, solid hinged door. What that means is wherever you put the door, that's where it stays. No locking them in anymore. It's our living area. Table and chairs. Theater seating with heat, massage, and lights. Fold-out couch. Fireplace. Flat screen TV. Lots of lighting. This has a PVC roof and a solar panel mounted right above. Cabinets, 3-burner cooktop, oven, microwave, residential refrigerator, and freezer. This is our first extra room, fold-out couch, room for TV, lots of storage, and farm door. Huge cabinet right here. Hang all your coats and skis and all that good stuff right there. We're also equipped with a loft for the little ones or for storage. You choose. Our shower area actually has a seat in the shower area, glass. Lots of storage here. Skylight above the shower. Our bedroom. King bed. Second air. Full front closet. And also, this is washer dryer prepped. We have room for another TV. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.